Okay, we're unboxing a Rollz Motion Performance. Trying to show you the easiest way to get them out of the box. Everything is in here. It's complete. So use a knife to get through the tape. Okay, as you can see, there's all kind of packing material to prevent damage to the Rollz Motion. First start with this and get this material out there. Put this back. So then it's easier to take the wheelchair package out. Okay. Put this aside. There's some loose stuff in here. The baggage bag, seat cushion, including the manual and the adjustment lever. I'm gonna need those as the first thing to do. Okay. Then all the small stuff is out. I'm gonna put it on the side and then pull it out. So this way I don't have to lift it a lot. And only one thing is in there. A box with footrest. I'll take my knife again to get these things off there. Be careful not to damage the material. Don't touch the frame with your knife. There's one. If you use a scissor, the risk on damaging your lock is smaller. So, and I'll start with the adjustment levers. Get this unwrapped. It's packed within the manual. There's a reason for that, because here there's an explanation before you're gonna start to apply these adjustment levers. So, and then pull it down so it points to downwards. But this is still a nice card. Tells us that we won a prize in 2012 for the design. Okay, let's get rid of this other stuff as well. Just make sure you don't push through the material. Yeah, there it is. Okay, looks nice already. I love the color. Let's open this. It's already almost ready for use. Okay, first the seat cushion. There it is. The baggage bag for underneath the seat. First, use the Velcro and then put it on there. The other one And I have the wheelchair package. Okay, it works. And I put it in place. Perfect fit. Okay, last thing to unwrap, the feet rest. Put my knife again. Look, this feet rest has the same color as the frame. I really like it. And you can adjust them. It's also in the manual how to do that. So, okay. I still want to show you one more thing. Beside this in the manual, where all the languages are there, and there should be one inlay to tell you if you buy a Rollz Motion with adjustable feet rest and air tires. This tells you how much air you should pump in the tires, and this is here tells you how to adjust the feet rest. Okay, one more thing is added, which is very important, the air pump tire. So that's it.